the hair color template has a lot of stuff going on just to make this one hair plane work right. So let's take a look. We have these 3 patches which grab the face, and then from there we're grabbing the forehead and attaching that to the hair plane. So that's this here. And you can see that's where this hair color is coming from. And it looks really distorted. I've noticed if you change this size here to kind of match the aspect ratio of the viewport, then it looks more like what you're expecting. And so down here is where all the hair segmentation stuff happens. So we have the camera texture up here, which is just the full video viewport. And down here is the hair segmentation mask texture. And this is similar to the other segmentation. It's just like an alpha channel. And so that is being applied at the end to apply the alpha of the hair. And then the color information of the hair kind of gets fed through all of this. And so the hair color block has all these parameters. So with that selected, you can change the color, smoothness, all that. To understand what's going, let's break down some of these patches. So up here, we're grabbing the texture from the camera, applying it to these UV coordinates, and then adjusting it, making it quite a bit brighter. And we can preview this by just dropping this output directly on the mat. So we can see it's totally blown out. But then if we use this and include this segmentation, we get this white shape of hair up here. Now, if we look at what's going on in this one and connect that, you can see there's the color information, but it's not applied to the hair. It's applied to everything because the alpha comes from here. So with these 3 things combined, I've made a bit of a mess. You get the alpha from here, the actual hair information from here, and then the color from here. And with all that combined, you get this nice colored hair segmentation. So you can be Sonic the Hedgehog.